Hi everyone! Okay, it's Moana Monday, so we're going to make a Heart of Tifiti necklace today, or you can make a badge or just an ornament, whatever you fancy making. So if you look on the Wool & Co channel, I've shown you how to make salt dough. So if you haven't got salt dough, go and have a look at that. So I've got a little ball of salt dough here. So I'm going to just take a little bit to make my bowl. I'm going to roll it up into a bowl. And I'm going to just flatten it, and I want mine to be a nice, I'm going to make a nice sort of oval shape, like a pendant shape, like a necklace. Make a nice necklace shape. I'm going to make two, so I'll show you two different ones. Okay. Make it flat and make it round, so you have to use your fingers to make a nice shape. You can make it whatever shape you want. This one's going to be a big one. Okay. Right, so I've got two different shapes there. Then I've been out and I've found a nice little shell that I'm going to put in the middle of mine. So I'm going to put my shell on this one. I'm going to push it right in like that. There we go, so I've got a little shell on that one. I'm going to pop that on the baking tray. And then this one, if you might not live near a beach and you might not be able to get a shell, so this one I've gone out and I've found a nice white stone that I'm going to put on there. Okay, then I've got some smaller stones, so I'm going to make a little pattern around the outside of my smaller stones. Looks like a little sun, doesn't it? Okay, put that on there. Then I'm going to make some little patterns around the side with my fork. There, or you can make some little dots. Got a little stick, make some little dots. We can make some zigzags. Make whatever patterns you want. Make swirly whirly patterns. Swirly whirly is a good word. Okay, and then you need to get a stick or a pencil to make a hole in the top. We're going to put some string through the top. There we go. Put a little hole in that one as well. Make sure it's big enough to put your string through. Okay, and now we need to put these in the oven, like a low heat oven for about 2 to 3 hours, so quite a long time, and they're going to dry out and then we can paint them. So I'll see you in a few hours. Okay, so they've come out the oven now, so they're nice and hard, so we're going to paint them. So I found a really good way to do this is if we mix a bit of paint with some glue, some like PVA glue. Put some paint in, and when it dries it'll be nice and shiny. I'm going to mix some paint in with that, and I'm going to paint my shell. Okay, so that's all painted now, and if you want it really shiny, just put some more PVA glue on the top to give it a nice varnish. Then we can thread, it's a tricky bit, thread our ribbon through the hole. There we go. And then we've made a lovely pendant.